Hello everyone. So I have come up with a unique product today. You can see this 5-year-old Curtas headlamp. It is all yellowish and dull. So this affects the brightness of the light as well as the looks. I'm using Maguire's plastX. This is a product specially designed for cleaning and restoring the plastic parts. First, you have to apply some amount on the headlamp or headlight cluster, then wipe it with your bare hands, or you can use the tool which I have shown. Actually, the tool is not at all necessary. You can use your hands for rubbing it off. If you have this cordless car polisher which is available in Amazon, several models are there. You can easily do it, but it is not mandatory. You can use your hand. You can use two microfiber cloths, one for doing this rubbing and other for cleaning of excess and polishing. So no need for this fancy tool. Anyway, if you have this tool, it is very easy to do the work. I will show you the result in few seconds. The circular motion cleaning is the ideal way for polishing. So this machine will make it easy for you. Now wipe it off with a microfiber cloth and you can see the looks are much better now, and I hope you like the video. So please subscribe my channel if you want to see more such useful videos. Of course, you can do multiple times for getting the perfect result. So I am repeating the same. So that's it. Thanks for watching.